Hi traders, as you know, MT4 and MT5 has been banned on all iOS devices and new users can download it from the App Store. So, MT4 and MT5 are literally the biggest retail trading platforms. And many traders ask, what should I do? Because many traders are using iPhones, iPads, and all the stuff for trading. And there are two ways. One way is, which is not that good. It is if you are using a computer and use VPS, you can still check your trades on your phone, on your iPhone or iPad. But I think it is not the best solution because that smooth platform that you can actually trade on your mobile phone is so essential in this world because everybody's in a rush, everybody is going somewhere, and so if you can trade on the road, you have very limited time to trade. And with the current tools of analysis, you can analyze the markets on the road as well. You don't have to sit in front of a computer. So my recommendation is to use CTrader as your trading platform if you can't use MT4 or MT5, because in my opinion CTrader is the best trading platform, and in my opinion it is even better than MT4 or MT5. But of course it is not used by so many traders or as many traders as MetaQuote's softwares, but I highly recommend to give it a try. Actually, when I started trading and when I started coding, I was a C# developer, and so it was obvious for me that I will start to code in Ciago. It is CTrader's algorithmic trading platform because it uses an API with C# and it was just a obvious switch to me. After that, of course, I learned MT4 and MT5's languages, but I first started with Ciago and CTrader, and I have to tell you that those platforms are superior and they are better than any other platform out there. And if you are interested in algorithmic trading, if you want to be a trader someday, a real trader, it has a lot of technical analysis tool. The platform, the UI, is just so much better and smoother than MT4 or even MT5. And so I highly recommend you just give it a try. Just download it. Nowadays, many new brokers allow to trade on CTrader, and they provide this platform as well. So it is a good news because a couple years ago it was only just a few Australian brokers. But the key is that if you get to know this platform, it will be a lot different than the MetaQuote's platforms. But if you get to know this platform, it has much more depth of market and much more tools. And if you are a coder and if you want to be a coder, it has a very, very good language that has great potential. And it is not a coincidence that I have so many CTrader bots in my store. It is because I love that platform, and it has a great optimization system and backtest system, and you can backtest with really high quality data even if you don't pay for it. That is not the case with MT4. And you can test your algorithms, your strategies in a just in a highly efficient way that is the closest to reality. Of course, if you can still use MT4 and MT5, they are good. And MT5 is much better for like coders, especially for optimization, because it uses not just a single core to optimize, which was crazy in MT4, but in C Algo, it was the case from the start. It is using multi-core optimization and it is very fast. So I highly recommend to try it out. I have some videos about CTrader, and if you are interested about these videos, just search for CTrader on my channel. And if many of you will be interested in CTrader or C Algo as trading platforms, I can make new videos, of course, about this platform and explain how the testing works, how optimization works, what are the depths and the analysis tools that you can use. It has more features and more advanced charts as well. So I can explain all the stuff if you are interested. If not, it is your fault.